From VOA Learning English, this is the Economics Report.
From VOA Learning English, this is the Economics Report.
Investors in the United States are preparing for the first public sale of stock.
Investors in the United States are preparing for the first public sale of stock in the Chinese company Alibaba.
In the Chinese company Alibaba. The company sells goods by linking buyers and sellers in the huge Chinese online market.
The company sells goods by linking buyers and sellers in the huge Chinese online market.
Alibaba is expected to make its initial public offering called
Alibaba is expected to make its initial public offering called an IPO
in September on the New York Stock Exchange.
In September on the New York Stock Exchange.
The total value of the company, based in Hangzhou, has been estimated at
The total value of the company based in Hangzhou has been estimated at about $200 billion.
About $200 billion. Reports from Bloomberg News say Alibaba is offering investors.
Reports from Bloomberg News say Alibaba is offering investors a 12% share of the company.
A 12% share of the company. That would mean the company could raise more than $20 billion in the public stock.
That would mean the company could raise more than $20 billion in the public stock sale.
After the IPO, Alibaba could become one of the most valuable tech.
After the IPO, Alibaba could become one of the most valuable technology companies in the world.
The e-commerce company is responsible for most online sales.
The e-commerce company is responsible for most online sales in China.
It dealt with more exchanges last year than U.S. companies.
It dealt with more exchanges last year than U.S. companies Amazon and eBay combined.
And it has more than 230 million active buyers.
And it has more than 230 million active buyers.
Scott Kennedy is director of Indiana University's research.
Scott Kennedy is director of Indiana University's Research Center for Chinese Politics and Business.
He says Alibaba has grown from a very small company.
He says Alibaba has grown from a very small company 50 years ago to the main online seller in China.
15 years ago to the main online seller in China. The company holds about 80% of the Chinese.
The company holds about 80% of the Chinese online sales market.
Scott Kennedy says the company is profitable.
Scott Kennedy says the company is profitable, which is unusual for a technology company first offering an IPO.
Which is unusual for a technology company first offering an IPO. Alibaba has chosen to sell its stock to the public.
Alibaba has chosen to sell its stock to the public on the New York Stock Exchange rather than in China.
On the New York Stock Exchange rather than in China. China is now the world's second largest.
China is now the world's second largest market for e-commerce for VOA Learning English.